Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix in-game purchase errors in Roblox. Check internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Next, exit and relaunch the Roblox game, right, to reset any temporary glitches. Next, confirm you have enough Robux in your account for the purchase. Next, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Roblox, and clear cache for mobile. For iOS, reinstall the app or to clear cache. And sometimes logging out of your account and then logging back in can resolve issues. Ensure there are no parental controls or settings on your account that restrict purchases. And occasionally, Roblox may have server issues. Wait a few minutes and try your purchase again. If you still encounter issues, check the Roblox support page or community forums for more help. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.